IELTS speaking. Tips. Same question, different band scores. How often do you go on holiday? Band 5 answer.
I don't go on holiday very often. Maybe once a year I take a trip. I like holidays, but I am busy and it is expensive, so I cannot go a lot.
Why is this a band 5? Fluency and coherence. Short, simple ideas. Limited expansion. Lexical resource. Basic vocabulary. Go on holiday. Expensive. Grammar. Mostly simple present. Limited range. Errors possible. Pronunciation. Generally understandable. Some inconsistencies possible. Typical of band 5. Communicates but without complexity or flexibility. 7.5. Answer.
I usually go on holiday once a year, but I try to take a short weekend break every few months if my schedule allows. I really value traveling because it helps me relax and reset mentally.
Why is this a band 7.5? Fluency and coherence. Smooth development. Clear structure. Lexical resource. Good range. Weekend break. Reset mentally. Grammar. Mostly accurate. Mix of tenses. Good variety. Pronunciation. Clear. Natural rhythm and intonation. Typical of band 7.5. Flexible and natural English with only minor slips. Band 9 answer.
I tend to travel fairly regularly. Typically, I take one substantial holiday abroad each year and several shorter local trips throughout the year. Traveling is essential for me. It broadens my perspective and gives me the energy to stay productive in my everyday life.
Why is this a band 9? Fluency and coherence. Effortless, fully developed ideas. Lexical resource. Sophisticated, precise, substantial holiday. Broadens my perspective. Grammar. Fully accurate, varied structures. Pronunciation. Native-like clarity and flow. Typical of band 9. Fully natural, nuanced, and precise expression. Now it's your turn. How would you answer this question? Drop your answer in the comments, and I'll let you know if it sounds more like band 5, 7, or 9. And don't forget to subscribe for more IELTS speaking hacks.
Thank you. Please like and subscribe. See you tomorrow.